Call do and somebody call do. Wait no man. Let me call my husband. Jesus Christ, I forgot to end up on the live. Dwayne! Dwayne! You got to look at 50 already, that's all. Tell her I love her. Oh, Butter Music says him love you even. Butter Music, my best friend. Yeah, I'm a good friend. Him not left me. You know, long man Butter Music I come, but me not meet him all over.
Love you, but man, I use it.
Him said tell her. Remember my TV, you know. So if him said tell her, Queen, me love her. How you might tell him not talk to Tina will take long for we'll build the way. Attack him, baby girl. See them when I get a backup for me. Big up yourself, Tina girl. Hey, good evening. Okay, 1 minute. If it soon come. If it have number 2 and number 1 expression. Oh, she said I'm done. Yeah, bless up. How would that call me? Aye. Do we not nothing for me? Why? Eh? Anytime you're ready, I'm ready. You know, I'm sell out the right crazy them for anytime. So if you're ready now, I'm just say, Farmers! Do it.
May I look at the item, sir? When I was alive. You can't take no back because you never try to know, darling. When me and my...
What's that?
Yeah, when me a bite man I crack ass pussy hole and I can't manage that. So nobody with me. Me not the pussy neither. Cause if me pussy hard come out all the while. Me a pussy flu.
Is it pussy look alike, yeah? Eh?
Pussy resemblance.
Pussy hook alike or pussy look alike? Which one? Hook? That's what sound like pussy hook.
Any type of pussy me have to walk with that.
There you go. Correct.
If I ever want pussy rap stone.
I admit. Do you ready? I'm soon come. Give me 5 minutes, because I can't sell up my rock crazy them, so. Myself a rock my baby them come. Rock my crazy queen is going. You know I'm red striping, but I'll be back in the light. When I get done, I'll come back to you. Because my husband is ready, and maybe I get do-good too. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna get do-good.
Do it.
Thank you. Thank you. Hallelujah, hallelujah, the queen I go right now. Hallelujah, blessed love and safe and guidance too. Hallelujah, 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 praise me crazies. Praise my crazies, praise my royal craze. I'm not giving her done. Weed ready, she said weed ready. Pass the chalice, give daughter. Pass the chalice, pass the chalice. Ja! Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful. Irie Empress.
Excellent, your name is the name of cook.
Backshot, I wish you get. Backshot, I wish you love. Whichever it is. I forget in my skirt and my short. Haha, I don't have skirts. Well, which short is bad? Look at my skirt. Them life mix up like porridge. And when you take a chair, wear dirty baggy. When man to make it in. Oh God, I love my husband. This is what? This is my husband. And me for love him. I don't want to fake love my husband. Move on the blood clot and leave me. I'm a nice husband. Rock the boat, yeah, rock the boat, baby. Rock the boat. Rock it. Man, I drink one more beer for that. But if it's a 2 beer, bring one for you and one for me. Let's beer it up, baby. Come on, baby. No, even that you're a fit. Mr. Scarlett. Watch out. Push off, cute. God, my mother and my husband. Watch out. Right away. Every trip, every second, right away. Exercise. Work. Watch out. I didn't know Madity. What's it name? Madike. What name Madifi? But I had no modification. You see my skin the one I live at the whole of my vein them move on the blood clot, my skin pretty and nice. But the vein and the lump them, everybody have to have them one blood clot fault I know. One is sensitive, I wanna all the attention. Oh, someone come and lift me up. He lift me up. He give me help. My dad, you never know. But don't give fuck. Junkie more. I want to keep fuck up in there. Dre, I want to surprise there. If that I'm gonna miss you. You never know we're really gonna miss you. You don't pinch me like a mosquito, I'm gonna eat it. No. Do not pinch fucking me. And it feel like mosquito. Do it stop you ever drop me. No, that's not your finger. It's a pin. Do it don't drop me for two. Do it. Fuck off, man. What am I supposed there? Where's my do it though. You see that?
See that?
That's time I get that nice. Oh, God, don't make me feel happy. Do it down. Do it me now, please. Yeah. Alright, do it. Do it down. Jump over the fucking something. That should have easy.
No, you need to tell her how to move. Tell her easy.
Ease yourself, daughter.
Okay,
Ease yourself.
Daughter.
Yeah, and in a lion mouth, you take
time and joy.
Oh, I bet you think my idiot?
Yeah.
I can't hide it from you.
I do. You're idiot, man.
For sure. My look up my video. If I tell me slippers, let me have some of that, please.
Yeah, but I sure they have one. Pick up the reading day.
Oh, God, I can't listen to something. Just...
And I sure they need to come off it.
My shirt? What happened to it? And that's the truth. Women like that for me. Women like that for me, girl. Do it. Don't fucking joke my husband. Alright, give me, let me keep it fair. Just be nice.
I keep nothing. I'll keep it. So long as I keep nothing.
Me find that fake. I never. Do remember that shop. Do stop it, now, man. You know, I'm gonna joke it. If I My mama ready now. My mama ready strike. Give me. No, don't.
Go on in.
Give me that one.
Go on in.
Lord, yeah. Yeah, exercise your ankle. It's alright. I open my exercise it back in a vex. I'm love Bex, you know. Love ramp. And when ramping get serious now. Yeah, the weed nice to true. Plus the beer them. I run 6 beer man event. Is it a earphone this? No. Why want me have to take up here? This is your good. This is your one. What else? This? What else? Oh, my beer them. I love my beer. Make the chalice suit your daughter.
Big up the Iowa.
Daughter, hold it, daughter.
Big up the Iowa.
Go and get to that.
Take it out, do it. Yeah, blessed love. Good evening. I true, man. Blessed.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Him have your eyes.
Watch Pana.
Hello, Queen Ive. Hello. Him no want to talk to me. Yeah. What's up? All right. Blessed love. Whoa. I just feel my ears are pop.
Nice.
Nice. Well, my ears. Ow. What the fuck? That look good. Wait, do it. Ow, what the fuck? Ooh, and on my ears. Ooh, get me some water. Ow, what my clot? Jesus Christ, get me some water, please. Any water? What the fuck? Sorry. I see some people just get the branded, you know. What room temperature water? Ah! Oh my God! Ooh. Water. Oh my God, this is hot. Ah. And the last Kelly. Ooh.